Today, we'll show you how to transform old, outdated countertops into sleek, decorative, quartz-like surfaces using the Beyond Paint Countertop Makeover Kit. Updating kitchen countertops, bathrooms, or laundry rooms can instantly enhance the look and feel of your home while increasing its value. However, countertop replacements can be costly. With the Beyond Paint Countertop Makeover Kit, you can transform your existing countertops or purchase the items separately, all for under $100. That's an incredible return on investment. The kit includes a pint of all-in-one paint, the countertop flecks, and the multi-purpose sealer, and a toolkit. Beyond Paint makes it easy by offering a range of pre-mixed colors and countertop flecks to help you achieve the perfect finish. Whether you're a homeowner, a house flipper, property manager, or business owner, Beyond Paint allows you to upgrade any countertop without the hassle of demolition. Achieving professional, quality results has never been easier or more affordable. Like all Beyond Paint projects, the first step is to thoroughly clean the countertop surface to remove any grease, wax, or oil. Make sure the surface is completely dry before moving on. Avoid using soap or TSP. Use a general degreaser or Beyond Paint project cleaner to effectively clean the surface. Once your countertop is dry, tape off around the countertop edges and sink to protect the surrounding areas. Now it's time to apply the first coat of Beyond Paint. Unlike other countertop products, Beyond Paint is easy to use and virtually odor-free, making the process more pleasant. 1 pint of Beyond Paint covers approximately 50 square feet, which is perfect for a medium-sized countertop. For a durable, long-lasting finish, 2 coats are required. Using a 3/8 inch microfiber or woven roller, apply the first coat of Beyond Paint. For crevices or hard-to-reach areas, use the tip of the roller or a soft bristle brush to stipple the paint into those spaces, then roll over the area for a seamless finish. For this project, we've chosen the color Soft Gray. When rolling on Beyond Paint, use light pressure on the roller and see just how well Beyond Paint covers the surface with the first coat. After allowing the first coat to dry for a minimum of 2 hours, we apply the second coat. If you want to achieve a solid color countertop, you would simply apply your second coat and then come back the next day and apply a minimum of 2 coats of Beyond Paint multi-purpose sealer. But today, we're going to show you how to achieve an even more dramatic result using one of Beyond Paint's flecks, giving our countertop a beautiful quartz-like finish. For larger countertops, you'll want to roll out about 3 feet of paint at a time, then shake the flecks onto 2.5 feet of the surface to maintain the wet edge. Keep repeating this process until the entire surface is covered. This should take about 20 minutes to complete. As you apply the flecks, the paint will lock the flecks to the surface as it self-levels. Once the flecks are applied, allow the surface to dry for at least 2 hours, or simply wait until the next day before lightly sanding with 400 grit sandpaper. This step helps remove any flecks that didn't lay flat and ensures a smooth surface for the sealer. Run your hand over the surface to feel for any bumps or irregularities. Once the surface feels smooth, then wipe down with a damp cloth to remove any dust. Now you're ready for the final step. Apply Beyond Paint multi-purpose sealer to give your countertop extreme durability. This will give you the beautiful high satin sheen that enhances both the look and longevity of your surface. It's recommended to wait 24 hours before applying the first coat of sealer. We want to make sure that we are not trapping any moisture in the layers of paint. Before applying the sealer, be sure to push any excess sealer out of the roller in the pan. Apply the sealer in thin, even coats. Applying it too thick can lead to cloudiness. Avoid rolling over areas you've already covered, as overworking the product can create an orange peel texture. A minimum of 2 coats is recommended for optimal durability. Allow the sealer to dry for at least 2 hours before applying the next coat. And there you have it. We've just transformed this countertop without the hassle, mess, or cost of a full replacement. In just a few simple steps, we achieved a stunning, durable finish for under $100 using the Beyond Paint Countertop Makeover Kit. For more DIY solutions, budget-friendly upgrades, and top-quality paints, visit beyondpaint.com.